Well, I'm almost ready for Halloween. I just have a few little nail designs to get ready for my clients, and then I'm good to go. What I like to do when I've got my clients is you get the nails on and you want to put a nice Halloween design in because they want one, but I've tried to prepare myself as much as possible so I'm not caught at the last minute and feeling frustrated. So what I usually do is have a bunch of samples available and they can just pick one. This design is really cool. I'm going to do a couple with ghosts. So they look like they're coming through the finger. These are easy, so just let me show you how I do it. I'm gonna make my ghost with hard gel, and I strongly recommend you use hard gel. Don't do this with a top coat or a gel polish because you want it to cure all the way through because it's gonna be a little bit thicker. So make sure you're using a hard gel or a builder gel. And I'm just going to get a goop. And you could be if you get a line on it, that's okay. My goal is to create the ghost head and figure on here and the whole little floating body. But I do need it to be 3D. Once you get what you want, the shape of a ghost, give it a good nuke. Okay, now once it's fully cured, go over the whole thing. I know it sounds weird, but go over the whole nail with white, because ghosts are generally white. Yeah, I'm gonna go over top of the whole nail. That's what gives this little ghost that feeling of coming right through. So let the gel settle in there a little bit. We've got a little arm of the ghost coming over the edge. That gives a really cool kind of 3D effect. Okay, we're just going to give it a nuke. You want to make sure that you're curing your gel polish with what the manufacturer's information gives you. If it says cure for 60 seconds, make sure you cure for 60 seconds. So I will give this a second coat just to make sure that it's a solid white little ghost. Just make sure your gel polish settles a little bit and gets into every little crevice before you nuke it. Okay, now we just want to put a couple little eyes and a little bit of nose or mouth. So I'm just going to put a little dot of black right there. And I'm going to get my tiny dotting tool because I really don't need too big of a dot. I tend to make scary things look a little too cute. So if you want it to look scary, you have to sort of draw the eyes down a little bit. If you want it to look cute, you're just little dots. I might have to do it a few times, make sure I get it right, but I'm gonna do a dot there and drag it down a little, and do a dot there and drag it down. And then I can either just do the mouth like that. Oh, no, it's missing. I gotta do the little. Does that look okay, Cameraman?
Oh, yeah, it's cute.
Looks like a cute. He's supposed to be scary.
Now I see him as like Casper.
Okay, well, I think that's good. So
he looks surprised.
He looks surprised?
Yeah.
You scared
him.
I scared the ghost.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe your little facial expressions, just decide what you want to do, but that's what I'm going to go with. So you can see sideways how you can see that little 3D effect. These are so adorable. You think of a whole set of those or even just a special one finger. That's really cute. So that's one way to do a ghost. Now don't forget to top coat that and seal that right in there. Let's try another little ghost. So I'm going to start with a black gel base on the nail, and I can make any color I want for the ghost, but ghosts are generally considered like white. So I'm going to use this silver cat eye chrome. So the trick is don't cure that once you put it on, and we're going to shape it into a ghost with our magnet. Get his little head over here a little more defined. That's pretty ghost-like. Okay, so I'm going to cure that. Make sure you do it the right time. So I'm just going to get another little black dot. And again, we're just making those little eyes. Let's see if I can make him a little meaner looking. Is that too cute or not?
Is there such a thing as too cute?
I don't know. I don't think he looks very good.
Well, you can erase them.
I know, that's the beauty of this. Look, you can just look at that. That's the great thing. If you don't like it, that's the great thing about this kind of thing. As long as it's cured beforehand, you can just wipe it right off and start again. Do they have noses? Do ghosts have noses?
Good question.
We should have researched our ghosts before.
Yeah.
They don't smile.
They usually have a ghoulish look. They're going,
Supposed to.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. Maybe you should look like that. I don't want to overthink my ghost. Okay. I'm going to cure that. And again, even though they're just little dots, make sure you cure it for the full amount because you want that little black dot to cure fully. Okay.
Maybe you should add some angry eyebrows.
Ooh, eyebrows are so expressive.
They sure can be.
But I don't think there's ghosts that have eyebrows.
Oh,
I don't think so.
my bad.
Again, we should have researched this. Okay. I am going to, though, top coat it with my velvet, which is a matte top coat, because it kind of gives it a really velvety look. You don't have to. You want your ghost to be shiny, that's cool. See, they're shiny for you. Just get a look at it and make sure you might like it. And I'm going to matte them up. Okay, here we go. 2 little ghosts.
Yeah.
What? Are you laughing at my ghost, Cameraman?
The run on the right. He's cute, but I like the 3D.
You don't
better.
like him?
He's all right.
Wow.
Don't give me hate in the comments, but I'm just being honest.
Well,
I like
no, it's just
the
an
one on the left
opinion.
is
I
the
mean,
winner for me.
If
I
you were
love
a
him.
client, then I would not put that on you for your nails. But clearly you like this one. I do
Oh, I
like
love
this one.
him.
It's pretty cool. I love that
he's
3D
great.
effect. That's very neat. That's very cute. I think I should have separated his nostrils a little bit. But I'll learn that for the other one that I do. But that's the whole idea. This is an educational channel, and I learn things too. Okay, so those are my 2 little ghosts. I think they're rather cute. And you can change it up. Like I've got lots of different colors. These are very Halloween colors. Ooh, and there's even a purple color in here. Oh, actually I did one. See that little, he's nice looking too. He's He's very sweet. He's not scary at all. I mean, it is clear I'm really not very good at scary, am I? I don't think I can do that very well. That's weird.
You do get scared easily, though.
Oh, yeah. No, I thought you meant I am scary. That's
No.
what I thought you were saying, Carol. Okay, well, I will practice on that. But these are my little ghosts. Like I say, you can do a different color, but I always think ghosts are kind of a white, kind of see-through-ish kind of thing. But these are really cute. This gives you a good idea of a flat nail. Really quick designs you can do at the end of your nail table day for each and every client, or for yourself if you're DIY. These are quite easy to accomplish. Have fun making your little ghost, and happy Halloween.